In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make discounts in Etsy. We're going to walk through exactly how to set up a promo code in your Etsy shop so you can offer special deals to your customers in a clear and professional way. First, log into your Etsy account and head over to your shop manager. This is your main dashboard as a seller, where you manage your listings, orders, and settings. Once you're on the shop manager dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu, click on Marketing. This is where Etsy keeps all the tools that help you promote your shop, including sales, coupons, and more. After you click Marketing, you'll see several options related to promoting your products. Next, click on Sales and Discounts. This section is dedicated to creating and managing promotions. Here, you'll see different ways to offer deals to your customers, such as sales or promo codes. Under the promo code area, click on Setup. This is where you'll actually create your discount code. Etsy will open a new page or section that lets you define all the details of your offer. Now you need to choose what type of discount you want to give. Next to discount amount, click on the dropdown. You'll see options like percentage off, a fixed amount off, or free standard delivery. Choose the one that makes the most sense for your promotion. For example, a percentage off is great for store-wide sales, while free standard delivery can encourage customers to complete their purchase. Once you've chosen the type of discount, click into the field next to it and enter the value. If it's a percentage, type something like 10 or 20. If it's a fixed amount, enter the currency amount you want to discount. Make sure the discount still allows you to make a profit after fees and shipping. Now decide on the order minimum. You can choose no minimum, a minimum number of items, or a minimum order total. This helps you control when the discount applies. For example, you might want the code to work only when customers spend a certain amount. Next, set the duration. Choose your start date and end date for the promo code. Think about holidays, product launches, or slow periods when a discount could boost your sales. Then, click into the custom promo code field and type the code your customers will use at checkout. Make it easy to remember and clearly connected to your offer, like Spring 10 or free ship. When you're happy with those details, click on Continue. Etsy will move you to the next step. Here, decide whether the discount will apply to all listings in your shop or only to select listings. Apply it to everything for a simple store-wide promotion, or choose specific products if you want to push certain items. Finally, click on Review and Confirm. Take a moment to double-check all the details. Discount type, amount, minimum order, dates, and where it applies. Once everything looks right, confirm it, and your Etsy discount will be live and ready for your customers to use.